How to restore your Phantom wallet using your seed phrase. Let's start the video.
Recovering your Phantom wallet is easy if you follow these steps carefully, whether you've forgotten your password or lost your recovery phrase. Let's start with the most common situation. You still have your secret recovery phrase, that crucial 12 or 24 word master key to your funds, but you've forgotten your wallet password. First, reinstall the Phantom app on your device. This is essential. Crucially, make sure you have your written down recovery phrase ready before deleting the old app, as it's your only way back in. Once reinstalled, open Funtime and select Import an existing wallet. Then tap Import Secret Recovery Phrase. Now carefully type each word of your phrase into the app. Funtime will automatically locate your wallet account. Just tap Continue to restore it. Finally, agree to the terms of service and your primary wallet is back. If you previously had multiple accounts, don't worry. Simply add a new account within settings and Funtime will instantly recognize and restore all your original wallets. Now, what if you remember your password but misplaced your recovery phrase? This scenario is much simpler. Unlock your Funtime wallet on a device where you still have access using your password. Head into Settings, tap your account name, and select Show Secret Recovery Phrase. After confirming your identity, usually with your password again, your full recovery phrase will appear on screen. This is critical. Write it down immediately and store it somewhere extremely secure like a physical safe or encrypted offline storage. Never save it digitally or share it. This phrase is your ultimate backup. It's the only way to regain access if you ever lose your device or forget your password again. Treat it like the master key it is.